You're planning a trip to Denmark, right? Maybe you've heard about hygge, those adorable Danish pastries, or the stunning architecture. But have you considered the nitty-gritty of daily life? Things like payments, for instance. And that's where a question pops up. Does Vipps work in Denmark? Let's dive in. Now, if you're from Norway, Sweden, or Finland, you probably know Vipps like the back of your hand. It's that mobile payment app that's basically become synonymous with cashless transactions. Quick, easy, and widely accepted, it's a digital wallet dream come true. So, when you're packing your bags for Denmark, it's natural to wonder, can you take your trusty Vipps with you? Well, here's the short answer, no, Vipps doesn't work in Denmark. But before you panic and start imagining a cash-only nightmare, let's break down why and what your alternatives are. Denmark, while being a tech-savvy country, has its own preferred methods of payment. Mobile pay is the Danish equivalent of Vipps. It's owned by Danske Bank, but it's used by millions of Danes and accepted almost everywhere. Think of it as the local champion when it comes to mobile payments. So, what does this mean for you, the foreign visitor? Well, you have a few options. First off, there's good old-fashioned plastic. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted in Denmark. From small shops to high-end boutiques, you will rarely find a place that doesn't take cards. It's a safe bet and covers most of your spending needs. Secondly, contactless payments are becoming increasingly popular. Many cards and even some smartphones offer contactless functionality. It's fast, convenient, and generally secure. So, make sure your cards are equipped with this feature. And let's not forget cash. While Denmark is predominantly cashless, it's not entirely cash-free. You can still withdraw money from ATMs, and there are places, especially smaller shops or markets, where cash might be preferred. It's always good to have a little pocket money on hand, just in case. Now, what about other mobile payment options? Well, Apple Pay and Google Pay are gaining traction in Denmark, but their acceptance might not be as widespread as mobile pay or physical cards. It's better to have a backup plan. To sum it up, while Vipps is a fantastic tool in its home countries, it won't be your go-to in Denmark. But fear not. The country offers plenty of other convenient payment methods. From cards to contactless to cash, you'll have no trouble managing your finances during your Danish adventure. So, there you have it. Vipps might not be your Danish payment hero, but with a bit of planning, you'll be well equipped to handle any transaction that comes your way. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.